Hi guys, I'm Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, so I request you to click on subscribe button and turn on the notification guys. So the next interview question is, it may ask you how we manage exception in method overriding. How we manage exception in method overriding guys. So this question may ask you in interview room. So like for example, let's say we have a class A96 and this A96 class going to contain a show method. And this show method going to throws a exception, okay, exception going to throw from its body, okay, exception, okay. And then suppose this method we override into its a subclass like, okay, B96 and we said extends A96 guys. And then suppose we override this method, okay. So now you can see guys, so if superclass method going to throw exception, so subclass method, okay, must need to throw exception, must need to throw exception. Or if it is going to throw number format exception, okay, so then it again need to throw the same exception, okay guys. But if we try to throw number format exception from superclass method and subclass method going to throw like exception, because exception is the superclass, exception is the superclass for this exception class, okay. Either we have to throw same exception, okay, either we have to throw same exception, okay, or we can throw superclass method exception and then subclass method, it's a subclass exception, okay. It's exception exception subclass, exception subclass, number of format exception is a subclass of exception class, okay. Number of format exception is a subclass of exception class. So now it will work guys. But if we try to write vice versa guys, so either we have to throw same exception, okay, or we have to throw exception from superclass method, okay, and then from subclass method the exception subclass, okay, exceptions subclass, that is number format exception, array index out of bounds exception, arithmetic exception, input mismatch exception, or anything else guys, okay. So subclass method must need to throw either same exception of superclass method exception, superclass related exception, okay, or or the subclass, okay, of the superclass method, of the superclass method exception class, okay, superclass method exception class, okay, superclass method exception class, okay. So either we have to throw same exception or the subclass of superclass related exception class. Got it guys? So now in this way we can manage exception in method overriding guys. Got it guys? So thanks for watching. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and share to your friends guys, and keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next one guys. Until then, happy coding guys. Thank you guys.